Well, we're back. My son and I have been doing the best that we can to try and get the area ready for construction. Got a new concrete guy. He's very nice. He gets really upset at us once in a while because Jason and I, we're clueless. We're trying our best, but we're not really good at this at all. But a few minutes later, he's calmed down and he's very helpful and very kind, and we're very thankful for him. So we did the best that we could. We got our forms in, just got to backfill a little bit. And we're ready for the concrete. The 4 planters that are going to contain trees are in because they're going to be concreted in. And they tell me that today, somewhere between 9 and 10 o'clock in the morning, big trucks of concrete are going to show up and we're going to pour this form. And hopefully that happens, and I'll be able to take some more video later. I'm alone today, so I don't have anyone to help me, so all I can do is shoot video and talk into the camera. As soon as we're done with this concrete, we'll clean up that mess back there, make it all nice, gotta plant some fruit trees back there, and then while they're working on a garage that's going behind there, Jason and I can start building this cage and putting up the planters and getting ready for the irrigation system. And there's tremendous amounts of work to do here, and my son and I are going to do all of it by ourselves. So it'll be a nice father-son project. So it should be fun, I hope. So I'll try to shoot some more video later, and I'm sorry the quality of this video is not very good because it's just me holding the camera, but that's only me. Anyway, I'll shoot some more later. Cheers. Well, concrete truck is here. Actually, it's like the second one. So I was in meetings, I couldn't be out here to see it get started, but it looks pretty good. I'll try to get down where they're working and see if I can get some footage there. Let's see what I can do.
All the way back.
Wow. So there goes some more concrete. Unbelievable. I haven't seen one of those, even on the internet. That's pretty neat. Wow. The guy's up there. I guess he's going to leave and somebody else is going to come back with more. That's incredible. All this for a few veggies, huh? A little bit more video. Still going back and forth with that little buggy. We're getting pretty close to the end here. He's like third. Getting down to the last little bit of concrete. Well, they got this doohickey going on here, whatever this is. Just a little bit more video. Detail work on. How pretty that looks. That doesn't look pretty. That's going to have to get worked on. Concrete is beautiful. Okay. Some more later. So we have concrete. That's better than we had before. It's poured. It's still curing. It's perhaps not the best broom job ever. They had some issues, unfortunately. Their equipment broke towards the very end, but they did the very best that they could, and I'm glad to have them because they really did a great job given the circumstance. But it's poured. Here it is. And the planters, these 4 planters are buried in the concrete, so they're kind of fake planters, they're fake raised planters, because in reality there'll be trees in there. And in another couple of days, a tractor trailer full of other planters is going to show up. There's going to be something like, I don't know how many, numerous ones along the wall here, several big ones here, several big ones here, and then a bunch more there, a bunch more down there. I think it's like 28 planters altogether. And then hopefully at some point my son and I will be able to erect the cage. I don't know how much we're going to be able to get done before the winter because it's freezing now. But we'll see. But at least we have some progress. So we'll keep taking video, and we'll keep hoping for the best, and maybe someday there'll be a garden. Cheers.